What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to integrate cosine x divided by sine cubed x dx. I used another method to solve this integration and I already uploaded in this channel. Right now I want to use another type of substitution method. So first of all, I separate it into cosine x over sine x times 1 over sine squared x dx. Then I have cosine over sine as cotan x, and the derivative of cotan x is negative 1 over sine squared x dx. So if I consider u as cotan x, du will be negative 1 over sine squared x dx. So we will have u times negative du. So that changes to negative u du. After integration is going to be u squared divided by 2 plus c. So that's negative 1 over 2 u squared is cotan squared x plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.